Hello students, today we are going to see one of the sums which came in ISC 2016 under retirement. So Pihu, Geeta and Nita were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in a ratio, and the balance sheet is shown and some adjustments are there. Now we will see how this sum will be made. So at first revaluation account we will open, and only land and building is to be reduced by 10%. So 12,000 will be entered in debit and the balance will be loss, and that will be transferred to partners capital account in the ratio of the old ratio between the partners. Again, the next step is to find the other adjustment. So we will first see the working notes, how it will be made. So let's see the provision for doubtful debts. So provision for doubtful debts was said in the firm to be raised by 10% on the debtors, and the excess provision should be created from general reserve, and the balance of general reserve is to be distributed between the partners. So provision for doubtful debts was 1300 and it has to be done 2500. So 1200 is to be added more. Now it is to be done through general reserve. So we will debit the general reserve and create the provision for doubtful debts. Thus we will get the balance of 7800 in general reserve. Now we will distribute that in the old ratio 3:2:1. As you know that general reserve is distributed among the continuing old partners. Now let's see what are the adjustments regarding goodwill. You already know we will once distribute the goodwill before the retirement in old ratio, and again we will distribute the right of goodwill after retirement in the new ratio. Thus we are getting who are sacrificing and who are gaining. So Nita is clearly sacrificing 9000, and that share is being shared by Pihu and Geeta 3000 6000. So these are our entry. Now we will make the capital account. So after transferring revaluation account and after transferring the debit and Nita's adjustment for goodwill in the debit side, again in the credit side, let's see, general reserve will be distributed. Creditors 3000 will be paid by Neha, so she will be credited by 3000. And again for the adjustments in note 2, Prachi's capital will be credited and by Geeta's capital 6000. So again let's see how Nita's account will be balanced, because she has been paid to 29,800 immediately and balance is remaining in her account is 39,500. So we can see here that 39,500 is the balance at the start of the year. So at the end of the 2015-16 financial year on March 31st, the continuing partners will pay her an interest of 10% on 39,500. So adding this we will get 43,450, and it was clearly said that the it will be given to her in two equal installment. So when we get the balance, then we will halve it, and 23,700 will be paid to her and 19,750, that is half of 39,500, will remain in the balance. Again next year we will credit the interest and again cash will be paid to her and her account will be settled. So in this way, if loan account has to be extended beyond the current year, you have to do it, because it is clearly mentioned in the sum. So this kind of sum you have to make in exams. This is most probably 10 marks question maybe. So go through it. I am sending the PDF. Also follow that. Thank you.